Hey, smart people on YouTube. Hope you guys are having a great day today. This is what I do every morning. I break down the stocks I was looking at for the morning and how I traded them. This is just the average guy, and although I'm anything but average, what I like to do to bring on my channel, I like to talk about personal finance, and I definitely like to talk about stocks. So that's what I'm doing today, and let's look at the trades of the day. SDRL right now it's at the high of the day at 281. Missed this whole big move here. I saw it creeping up early in the morning, made this third green candle. I got in at 232. Little hesitation there. Bam, got in. Said let me wait for a bigger move here. Came up here to 237. Did a little maxed out on RSI. Said, well, let me might as well wait for a bigger move. That's only a 5 cents move, and then ended up making another slight move here. I was like, that's a double on the RSI. Let me go ahead and take some profits. I sold at 240 right here, right when it was dropping down, and it made a quick move, got out. But definitely should have held on longer for this bigger move here. Let's see, the low is at 232. Never really got me too down into the negative here once it got past this area. But 230, never got down past 230. Could have held on longer for the bigger move here, at least at 255, 254. But it's okay, I'm learning as every day goes by. So let's look at TRNX. This is actually my bad trade of the day. You can see here I have my stop loss set, and I was looking for potential profit of, let's see here, 8%, I believe. Yep, about 8%. Let's clear this out real quick. Clear drawing set. Bam. Alright, so I was looking at TRNX. I saw that it was dipping down. Saw the 7-day RSI was dipping down, and decided to get in at 0.779 right here. Got in. It moved around a little bit. It set my stop loss, and it came down to my stop loss. Got out. And just overall stock that was downtrending for the day. I had some profits that I could have took, but wasn't that much. Did good on my stop loss. Got out of the trade. Did bad with a rebuy here. I got in on the rebuy here. Thought it was making a reversal pattern. You know, that I got out a little too early because it didn't reach all the way to my stop. My stop was right here at 4% around here. And I decided to get back in and went up for a little bit. Had a chance to sell. Had forever to sell. I was just sitting there watching it, and it came back down. I set a new stop loss if it broke down below the candle, and it did. And it didn't do much really else for the day either. So followed my stop loss. I did bad with entering in the trade again. Should have recognized it was just a stock on a downtrend, but didn't lose too much there. End up making my losses back with SINT. Now I missed the move on the morning play here with the third green candle popping up here. That would have been a nice entry, and it did move up pretty higher. It got over 10% on the move here, so I missed that. So I was waiting on the dip, and it made a dip on the 7-day RSI right here at 2. I got in at 209. Bam, right there. Hesitated. I saw 207. Was hesitating, making sure it's going to be a green candle. Got in at 209. Sold pretty early at 213. Could have held on longer to at least 218. But I was just trying to scalp it out a little bit, make a little bit of my losses back. And then let's look at Isaiah. Another bad trade of the day. Got in here on the second candle here, thinking it was going to continue higher because Isaiah's been getting some good volume here this past month, past couple of weeks. Got in at 0.518. 0.518, pretty high here. Was hoping that I was going to make a third green candle. It didn't. Drop down. Reached my stop at 0.484. I got out 0.484 at the bottom of the candle once again. kind of a bad move there, but you know, it hit my stop, I got out. It was about a $48 loss there, and it did continue higher. Could have had a chance for a sell at a profit, but I followed my stop loss, just minimized my risk. It could have easily continued downwards. So let's look at the last trade that I did of the day that kept me in the green for the day. DEST. I missed a big move here. Didn't make a third green candle here, but it continued on higher here. Had a little bit of volume. 13, not much. 44,000 shares was the most. So not much, but I saw that it hit the high of any previous of the pre-market. Has a good chance of continue higher. So I waited for a dip. Saw it made a nice little dip move here on the 7th-day RSI. My stochastic oscillators went down with it, so I decided to get in at 0.865 right here, 0.86, and then a half that 0.865. Got in, waited for the RSI to max out. It did. Sold at 0.91. Yep, 0.916 on this red candle here. Kept me in the green for the day, so overall happy. You know, green day for the green day. A little too many trades there though. You know, I did 5 trades today with 5 different stocks, 6 trades overall, so that was somewhat over trading. I saw that I was going to get on these dips just to scalp them out, just to get a couple cents here and there, and don't try too much worry about, catching a bigger move. But so got some things to work on here. Took some notes for the day. Hope you guys are taking notes off of your trades, and hope you guys are trading safely out there. Please don't use more than 50% of your account when you're trading. Just a little helpful tip there. And yeah, so that's it for today. Let's look at the overall market real quick. SPY went up for the day, so had a little volume there. Gold, let's look at gold. Gold went down, of course. So it's always good to look at the ETFs, see what they're doing, see what sector you're trading in. If you're trading in bio technology stocks, look at the ETF for that. If you're trading personal finance, not personal finance, you're trading in finance type stocks, then like credit companies and stuff, then look at the ETF XLF for that and see how it correlates together, especially if you're a swing trader. So that's all I got for today. Hope you guys had a great day today, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this every day, and I'll see you guys next one.